There's breaking news coming in right now. Maharashtra BJP MLAs protest against government outside Maharashtra Assembly on the issues of OBC and Maratha reservation. That is the latest coming in at the moment. The Maratha quota row begins. The Maharashtra BJP MLAs right there on your screens protesting against the current Mahavikas Aghadi Sarkar. And all of this is happening outside the Maharashtra Assembly on issues of reservation for OBC and Marathas. Mustafa will be joining us live in just about a bit as this standoff intensifies. Remember, this is a long standoff on the Maratha quota. For the moment, the news that is coming in is that the BJP MLAs are protesting. We'll get you some reactions of the MLAs on your screens right now. Are the visuals coming in from the assembly right there? The Maratha quota row intensifying right there. All of this taking place outside the Maharashtra Assembly at the moment. Mustafa is now joining us live for the latest. Mustafa, just recently Maharashtra government called for amending the constitution as far as this is concerned, and now BJP MLAs are protesting at the moment. If you could just put the story into perspective as to where the Maharashtra government stands and where does the BJP stand, what are their demands as far as the issues of OBC and Maratha reservation are concerned?
Well, of course, it's the two-day monsoon session of Maharashtra Assembly which has just started, and now the main issues remain of the reservations for the Maratha community and the OBC reservations in the political elections. And on both the cases, there is a blame game going on between the state and the center. The center is saying that it was the state which didn't do much so that the laws can be proved and be watertight in the court, while the state government is saying that both the decisions have come from the court. It's in the central government's hand now to provide reservations to the Marathas and provide some empirical data regarding the OBCs in the state so that OBC reservation issues can also be taken up. So this is the main issue on which two-day assembly session is going to take place, and it's likely that the opposition will stage a walkout. Other than this, the ED notices to Mahavikas Aghadi leaders is going to be the second political issues in this two-day session. Back to you.
For getting us up to speed with the very latest details, we'll keep going back to Mustafa for more on this particular story. This remains to be our top focus coming in from Maharashtra. Moving on now.